This is a police Niva, abandoned right in the forest. I found it, look. Ah, what's going on here anyway?
They've got guns. They're catching up, damn it. Come on, faster.
Yeah, damn it. Are you even planning to help me today or not?
No,
Are you serious? Why aren't you going to help me?
I can't. I'm sad.
Did something happen or what, huh?
Yeah. Grandpa died. I buried him recently.
Which grandpa? What grandpa?
Grandpa Vova.
So why are you sad then? You hated him your whole life.
Yeah, he was a bad person.
So, why are you sad then?
Yeah, I just found out about my inheritance. That's all that's left from him.
Inheritance? That's even better. You should be happy. What did you get?
What's there to be happy about? They gave me this old wreck.
Is this your inheritance from your grandpa?
Yeah, that's why I'm sad about it. I mean, what is this?
Serioso, you just don't understand. This is a vintage computer. All of this could be worth a lot of money.
Yeah, a lot of money? This thing right here?
Yeah, maybe it's a rare item, that's all.
Yeah, assuming it even works at all.
So let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Seriously, if it all works, it could be worth a lot of money. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
You're really underestimating this. Things like this could be worth millions. My uncle basically found an old MacBook, some M1 or something, and he sold it for 500,000 rubles.
Yeah, but that's a MacBook. And this is just some box, nobody even knows what it is.
We'll figure it out together. First, we need to hook everything up and set it up so it works. Power the keyboard, and we need to figure out these knobs too. I'll set everything up now, and it'll work. Actually, this is also a kind of iMac, you see. It's portable. Portable. The wires, though, keep falling out. I'll take care of everything.
Via, well, it's just a mess. There's no point digging into it. It doesn't work.
I think it works. Let's check now. If there's electricity, everything should work. There, look. See, it's working. It's working, I told you. Yeah, it's working. Wow.
Wow, I've never seen anything like this. Let me see. Hey, if it works, how much is it worth? Check how much it costs.
All right, let's take a look now. We'll figure it out. You keep messing with it for now.
Wow. Let me see.
So I found out how much it costs.
How much? Did you find out?
Yeah, if you believe the ads, it's a whole fifth. 2 rubles.
What?
Yeah, really, I just saw the ad.
50 rubles?
50 rubles.
50 rubles for this?
I didn't even know that.
Damn, it just got even worse. This is garbage.
Yeah, don't get upset, Seryoja.
50 rubles, huh?
Don't get upset, listen. Look, there are some strange files here. Let's check them out. Maybe we'll figure something out.
Well, go ahead. Come on, look.
This is some kind of really old messaging app. There are messages here, voice messages.
Den Krisha.
Very strange dates. Lost your dollar?
Did you hide it under the fence? What?
Are these his messages? The contacts are kind of shady. And what did your grandpa do?
He was a police officer, I think.
A police officer?
Yes.
Look here, right here. Well, where are you? I handed over 500,000. Come on, let's open this contact.
Come on, open it.
Look, there are voice messages and chats here.
Voice messages from Grandpa?
Let's listen.
Okay.
So, when are you coming?
Damn, that's my grandpa. That's my grandpa's voice.
For real?
Yeah.
Come on, I'm waiting for my 500,000 rubles.
Whoa, what, 500,000 rubles? And this junk costs 50 rubles. Where's the 500,000, Grandpa?
I don't know.
Ha! Seriously, that's crazy. He had so much money, but he left you this old wreck. Ha! Apparently, Seryoja, this is some kind of old secret telegram. Well, that's how it used to be.
Telegram? Grandpa had Telegram?
Yes, just like us. We also have all the secrets and exclusive content in our Telegram channel. Subscribe using the link in the description. Look, here, your grandpa's account, Honest Cop. I'm the most honest cop in the neighborhood.
What? Honest cop? He wasn't even an honest grandpa. He left his grandson like 50 rubles, and it turns out he actually had 500,000.
Hey, Seryoga, look, I think 500,000 isn't even close to all of it. Look, here's what I found. Another message.
Calm down, Vovchik. They don't call me Old Warrant Officer of Zyatkin for nothing. I can solve any problem as long as you have money. Messed up? Got a problem? If I show up in my old Niva, there won't be any more problems. The main thing is, bring the full amount on time. I'll take everything, we'll count it, and our problem will be solved. 1. And most importantly, I know a secret place. I have a stash. That place will never let me down. Just in case, I decided to keep all my savings in a decommissioned Niva that I bought back. Well, and I'll hide it in the forest, right at these coordinates.
You got it, right? Your grandpa's whole stash is kept inside some Niva, and here are the coordinates. Are you taking a picture of the coordinates?
Yeah.
So we're going to search for the police Niva?
What police Niva? We're going to search for the stash. Forget about that Niva.
Oh, the stash. Yeah. So what are we waiting for? Looks like your grandpa left you not just a computer, but this valuable information. Use your head. Let's go.
Oh, I found it.
We need to find a car. I have a really good feeling about this. We haven't found abandoned cars in a long time, and here we have the coordinates and everything. So, are we close?
It should be somewhere around here, yeah.
We need to go into the forest over there.
Well, listen. According to the map, yes, that way.
I know how to handle this.
Yes.
I found so many cars here. Look, my backpack is full.
Well, of course.
We'll fix this car in no time. Wow, a Niva.
Yeah, Via, you're not thinking about the right thing at all. The stash is the most important. The stash. Forget about this car. Let's go.
Do you think there's a lot in there? Like, did your grandpa steal a lot of money?
Well, more than 500,000 for sure, I think. That's for sure.
How are we going to split it, huh?
Half and half?
Well, that's fair, I guess.
That's fair.
Half and half, and the car is mine.
Then, 49 to 51, and the car is yours.
Go to hell!
Well, at least we'll ride together.
All right, we'll ride together.
I don't care about the car.
But the car stays with me.
Yeah.
Here, look, a spare part. From a Niva, Lada, the Lada emblem. Faz, oh man, yeah, it's from a Niva.
What do you think? Has the Niva already been stolen?
I don't know.
No, well, we need to go a bit further. It's showing it's a little farther ahead.
Are you sure?
Yeah, well, the coordinates are exact, just a bit further.
Seryoja, you're unbelievably dumb.
Why?
You're following these directions,
Yes.
right? But GPS doesn't work in the forest. And we're not even here.
Then where are we?
I don't know. You need to look around and search for it. That's it. Turn it off. Use your eyes and look where the car should be.
To find a car in the forest just like that without anything?
Yeah! As if we haven't done that before? If you don't know, you can check the previous video for a hint. I've found even crazier things in the forest.
We did. Damn it, Via. I feel like we're just walking in circles. Grandpa tricked me. He lied to me my whole life, and now he tricked me again.
Shut your mouth. Why are you whining?
How much longer? We've been walking in this forest for an hour and a half already.
Should we keep walking? I'm sure the car has to be here. There, look, the white one. See it?
That's a snowdrift, you fool.
No. Come on. Here, look. Ha. Guys, that's a Niva. That's a police Niva. Abandoned right here in the forest. Unbelievable. Look, it's grown right into the trees. Wow, a police Niva. What's in there? Anything interesting?
There's just a bunch of trash in here.
What do you mean trash?
I'm telling you, there are some uniform jackets in there.
That's a police jacket. What are you talking about? What trash? This is actually wild.
What, you think it's okay?
There you go, come on, put it on.
No, Via, I'm not up for that. I'm looking for something. Wait. Put it on.
And where's the cap? Is there a cap? This one's fine.
No way.
That's awesome. And you don't need a cap. It'll be just like this for you. And like this, you even kind of look like your grandpa.
That's enough. Leave me alone. Don't.
Come on, don't go anywhere. All right, guys, I have more important things to do. I don't know what Seryoja is up to. Let's go. I'll show you.
There's nothing here. Oh, a suitcase. Now there must be something for sure.
Branches. Stupid ones.
All right. Huh? What? How? Why is there nothing?
The Niva is obviously old, so the engine is an old carburetor type. But that's actually good for us, because if it's carbureted, I can fix it under any conditions.
Oh, damn. This is nonsense. Maybe it's under the floor mats? Oh.
Oops, that's unnecessary.
Whoa!
How? How do you open the trunk here, huh?
The trunk? Go to hell, figure it out yourself, I'm busy. Seryoj, all right, I'll help you. Seryoj, turn the engine over, I'll tell you how to do it. The battery is definitely dead after all this time.
Via.
Huh?
So there's no key here.
No key? Watch out!
Hey, what are you doing, idiot?
There, that's it. We don't need the key anymore. There's no response, so the battery's dead. Stay there, Seryoja. I'll help you.
The trunk. Did you tell me how to open the trunk?
First the engine.
Yeah, to hell with your engine, huh?
Okay, the battery is in place. I need to check the ignition. All right, the ignition works. Great. Why are you crawling around over there, huh?
VIA, open the trunk for me, will you?
That's easy. Here you go. It's over there.
Wait.
You need to pull it here. Pull it right here.
What's that sound?
What sound?
Do you hear a sound?
Yeah, some radar is beeping or something, I don't know.
What do you mean, some radar? That's creepy, Via.
Oh, look, it's working now. Listen, that's cool.
What's working over there?
Ah, that means the ignition is definitely working. There you go.
Well?
It's cranking.
What's cranking? Open the trunk for me.
It's cranking, but it won't start. It's nothing serious. Yeah, just a second. I told you, I'll open it for you now. Just be quiet, okay?
Open the trunk for me.
Right here, you idiot. Here's the handle for the trunk. I'm explaining to everyone and to you too, Seryoja. That's it, it's open. Go take a look.
There, something's inside. Here. Oh. Secret.
There. Everything just the way we like it. Carburetor.
Via. I found it.
What have you got there?
I found it, look.
Wow.
Secret.
Yeah, cool.
This is Grandpa's stash.
A real stash?
Yeah, but there's a padlock on it.
All right, you handle it. I almost got it too.
Do you have like an angle grinder or something with you?
Here, look. I have a lot of different tools here. Right here. Dig through them.
He's got a lot of tools, yeah. Well, this one might work too, yeah.
Everything's covered in dust, damn. Oh, blow it out? Definitely. And everything will be fine. Honestly, I think this is one of our best finds. And a police car and some kind of stash. We just need to open it up. All right, let's start the engine first. Okay, choke, start. It worked! Everything's awesome! Super, unbelievable. Is that a low fan? Yeah, look, the low fan's coming.
Some kind of low fan, right?
What is it doing out here in the middle of nowhere?
Looks like they're coming here.
For real?
Who are they?
Looks like they're lost.
Looks like it, yeah.
Hey guys, what's up?
Hey.
So, Vovan? Now we've got you. You won't get away from us now.
What, Vovan?
Shut your mouth. You'll pay back all your debts to us, and with interest.
Hey, wasn't your grandpa's name Vova? Vovan.
There are no Vovans here, guys. No, we're...
What are you talking about?
Yeah, what?
Pay back the debt.
What debt? What are you talking about?
You owe us 10 million.
What 10 million, guys? What are you talking about? Who are you? I don't know you.
Pay it back fast.
I don't have any money, guys. What are you talking about?
You're an old sly fox. You owe us money.
What money?
We'd recognize you anywhere. Since you don't want to pay the money, we'll handle this another way now.
What's even going on?
Guys, stop. Whoa. Calm down.
Do we really have to solve everything like this?
You kid, get out of here before I shoot you in the knee. This is between us and Vovan.
But Vovan isn't here. Via, tell them I'm not Vovan. Tell them I'm not Vovan. Guys, I'm not Vovan.
Well, listen, if this is your business, then I'm leaving.
Via. Damn.
So any last words, Vovan?
We'll deal with them right now.
I'm not Vovan. I'm not Vovan. I'm not Vovan.
Why are you just sitting there? Let's go. Get in, let's go. Let's go faster, Seryoga.
Are you crazy or what? Damn, let's go. What's going on?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey man, get up, get up. Let's go. Vovan won't get away from us this time.
Damn, Via. Did you see what he did? I don't know. Where are we going?
Just anywhere.
Then hurry up, please. Damn, they're kind of crazy, really. They're following us. VIA, come on, faster, faster. Please, faster, step on it.
I'm doing what I can. I'm going.
Well, Vovan, you're done for. Come on, step on it.
They're right behind us. Come on, floor it. They're chasing us, faster. They're catching up to us, damn it. Road. Come on.
I'm trying. They're falling behind, aren't they?
No, come on, faster, please.
I'm going, I can't go any faster. I'm pushing it to the max.
Come on, we need to floor it. Faster.
Stop, Vovan, you won't get away from us.
Please, faster. And turn off the damn headlights, will you?
Oh, the headlights. Wait, do we need them or not?
Come on. Come on, faster. Well, damn, they're crazy. Come on.
I didn't make it. Come on. Faster. Now look, whoa, I'm going right. Yeah, we got away from them. Great.
The old guys got away from us. But you, Vovan, won't get far from us. We'll catch you anyway. And when we catch you, we'll tear your arms and legs off.
To hell with them. Yeah, they crashed into a tree over there. Idiots.
How did you come up with that? That was quick.
I don't know. It just happened in the heat of the moment.
You saw how crazy they are, right? Did you see what they did to me?
That's all in the past now. Now we've got cars and your grandpa's stash.
The stash, right? A stash is a stash.
Yes. We made it. Everything's awesome.
To hell with adventures like this.
Yeah, calm down. It's all right, Seryoga. We made it out. We've got the car and the stash. Let's go take a look.
The stash, right.
Wow, it's heavy, man.
Yeah, here, it's fine. The lock.
Yeah, let's take it to the hangar. We'll figure it out there. Bring it over here.
Come on, open it up. Come on, bring the grinder over here. I don't know, maybe a crowbar.
No, that's enough. Calm down, Seryoga. There was already too much chaos today. Look at yourself. Do you even know what you look like? What is this? Some idiots who had a grudge against your grandpa almost killed you today, damn it. That's it. Calm down, you fool. Stop it. Idiot. Guys. If we get 30,000 likes on this video, only then will I open this stash and we'll find out what's inside.
Are you serious? Why wait? Let's open it right now. I didn't nearly get killed over this for nothing.
Calm down. I'm telling you, be quiet. That's my condition. 30,000 likes on this video and then we'll open it and find out what's inside. Besides, Seryoga, we're in no hurry. We're completely safe. No one knows where we are, and no one will ever find out where this stash is now, because they don't know the location of my base.
Well, that's true. I really want to believe that.
Well, that's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave your comments to find out what happens next. And this was me, Vyacheslav Ismailov, or VIA, along with my buddy Seryoja. And this is the Zhizn VIA channel. Bye.